So we're on our last day here at the campsite, so we're having a chilled out one, but what I will do is show you around this campsite because it's actually a really good campsite. So I'll show you around, show you what facilities they have here, and give you some information. It is great, I'd come back again, yeah, very worth it, so let's have a look. So this is the main area. You've got reception off to the side. They've got an information point in there for a load of leaflets and things like that. The restaurant bar, it does really good food, and they do like, basically it's just burgers, salads and or hot dogs. The beer and the cider, very good, can vouch for that. Shower blocks and changing blocks and kitchen, but I'll show you that in a second. Swings when you're drunk. And then down here, I've not actually been this way, but according to the map I was given, this is a barbecue and picnic area. And so it is. So that's pretty cool. So we've got a bench on the side, or rabbit bouncing around, and a barbecue pit. Pretty cool, actually. I like that. See the sun's coming out, burning through. It's about, so now, probably about 7:30 at the moment. All the pitches are up there, so we're up there again. Take you up in a minute. You've got caravans and motorhomes this side. They also go up around there behind the house. And then we're on grass pitches up to the right towards the exit. Probably, so he likes to play some motorbikes up there, so that we don't disturb people as much when we start up. So I won't obviously go in the shower blocks. The shower blocks are through there. Really clean, modern, water's hot. They're really decent shower blocks. There's even a games room in there, I'll show you that in a minute. Obviously the bar and reception aren't open yet, but again, decent food, decent drinks. Can play a bit of table tennis, sit down, there's a TV, you can see more caravans through there. It's like, got some kitchens, wash areas, got cutleries and all cooking sort of equipment, microwave, sink. It's very well thought about and considerate. Show you the games room, food table, pool table, darts, books, places to read, baby changing, washing machine and tumble dryer, only €4 each. And down there is obviously toilets and shower blocks. So yeah, I'll show you up towards our pitch. So yeah, so we're coming up to our pitch. We're just up here, I'll show you that now.